Algeria, a nation in North Africa, boasts vast reserves of oil and natural gas. These resources have traditionally been the backbone of its economy. However, Algeria is on a journey of transformation, seeking to diversify its economy. This shift involves reducing dependence on hydrocarbons and fostering growth in other sectors. The path ahead is promising, with opportunities for sustainable and inclusive development. The year 2023 witnessed impressive economic growth for Algeria. The nation's GDP surged by 4.1%, driven by strong performance across various sectors. The hydrocarbon sector, a traditional powerhouse, continued to contribute significantly to this growth. However, it was the non-hydrocarbon sectors that truly stood out, showcasing the effectiveness of diversification efforts. The agricultural sector, for instance, experienced a resurgence, contributing to food security and generating employment opportunities. Manufacturing also picked up pace, signaling a move towards industrialization and value-added production. This growth was further bolstered by increased government spending on infrastructure projects, creating jobs and boosting economic activity. The positive economic performance of 2023 underscores Algeria's potential for sustainable growth. The government's commitment to reforms, coupled with the resilience of its people, has laid a strong foundation for continued progress. As we look ahead to 2025 and beyond, the momentum gained in 2023 serves as a springboard for even greater achievements. The year 2025 holds immense promise for Algeria's economic trajectory. Projections indicate a robust GDP growth of 4.5%, fueled by both domestic and external factors. The government's ambitious budget, with increased spending on development projects, is expected to stimulate economic activity and create jobs. The non-hydrocarbon sector in particular is poised for significant expansion, with a projected growth rate of 5%. The government's focus on industrialization is expected to yield positive results, reducing reliance on imports and promoting local production. Furthermore, Algeria's strategic decision to join the Africa Continental Free Trade Agreement opens up new markets for its products and services. This move has the potential to significantly boost exports and attract foreign investment. Despite the positive outlook, it is crucial to acknowledge the global economic uncertainties that may impact Algeria's growth trajectory. Fluctuations in commodity prices, particularly oil and gas, could impact revenue streams. Climate change poses another significant challenge, with potential implications for agriculture and water resources. While Algeria's economic future appears bright, it is not without its challenges. The nation must navigate a complex global landscape marked by geopolitical tensions, economic volatility, and the pressing need for climate action. Addressing these challenges effectively will be crucial for sustaining economic growth and ensuring long-term prosperity. One of the primary challenges is the volatility of global commodity prices. As a major oil and gas exporter, Algeria's economy is susceptible to fluctuations in energy prices. Diversifying the economy away from hydrocarbons and developing alternative sources of revenue is therefore paramount. Additionally, attracting foreign investment in non-hydrocarbon sectors is essential for driving growth and creating jobs. Furthermore, climate change poses a significant threat to Algeria's economy, particularly its agricultural sector, which is vulnerable to drought and desertification. Investing in climate-resilient agriculture, water conservation, and renewable energy sources is crucial for mitigating these risks. Addressing these challenges head-on will enable Algeria to build a more resilient and sustainable economy. Algeria's economic future is brimming with potential, hinging on key strategies. Diversification and reform are the pillars of sustainable growth. Reducing reliance on hydrocarbons fosters a resilient economy. Investing in education, healthcare, and infrastructure is crucial. Embracing innovation drives productivity and competitiveness. A business-friendly environment attracts investment and empowers the private sector. The path ahead for Algeria is one of immense opportunity.